Welcome to our factory documentary. Today, we will show you the complete perfume manufacturing process. Perfume is not just a fragrance. It is a mix of art, science, and patience. From raw materials to beautiful bottles, let us explore every step in detail. Perfume is a liquid mixture used to give a pleasant smell. It is made using natural and synthetic ingredients. Perfume is used all over the world by men and women. Each perfume has a unique smell and personality. There are many types of perfumes. Eau de parfum, eau de toilette, and eau de cologne are common types. The main difference is the concentration of fragrance oils. The process starts with selecting raw materials. These include flowers, fruits, spices, woods, and synthetic compounds. Quality raw materials are very important for good perfume. Natural ingredients include rose, jasmine, lavender, sandalwood, and citrus peels. These ingredients are collected from farms and forests. They are cleaned and prepared for extraction. Synthetic ingredients are made in laboratories. They help create long-lasting and unique fragrances. They also reduce cost and protect natural resources. Natural oils are extracted using different methods. Common methods include steam distillation and solvent extraction. This step captures the true scent of the ingredient. Perfume alcohol is highly purified ethanol. It has no smell of its own. Alcohol helps spread the fragrance evenly when applied. Expert perfumers create perfume formulas. Each formula is carefully measured. A small change can completely change the smell. Fragrance oils are mixed with alcohol in large steel tanks. Machines control temperature and mixing speed. This ensures perfect blending of ingredients. After mixing, the perfume is left to rest. This process is called aging or maturation. It can take several weeks or months. The fragrance becomes smoother and stronger. Samples are tested in the laboratories. Experts check smell, color, and stability. Only approved batches move to the next step. Perfume is filtered to remove impurities. This makes the liquid clear and pure. Filtration improves final product quality. Perfume bottles are made from glass. They are designed to look attractive and elegant. Bottles are cleaned before filling. Automatic machines fill perfume into bottles. Each bottle gets an exact amount. This process is fast and accurate. Spray pumps and caps are attached. Machines ensure tight sealing. This prevents leakage and evaporation. Labels are added to bottles. Labels show brand name, ingredients, and usage details. This step gives the product identity. Perfume bottles are placed in boxes. Boxes protect bottles during transport. Attractive packaging increases product value. Each perfume box gets a barcode. Batch codes help track production date. This is important for quality control. Finished products are inspected manually and by machines. Any damaged or faulty item is removed. Only perfect products are approved. Perfumes are stored in a cool, dry place. Temperature and light are controlled. Proper storage maintains fragrance quality. Perfumes are packed into cartons. They are shipped to shops, malls, and online stores. The product is now ready for customers. Factories follow safety rules. Workers wear protective equipment. Waste is treated to protect the environment. This is how perfume is made in a factory. From raw materials to finished bottles, every step matters. Perfume manufacturing is a perfect blend of science and creativity. Thank you for watching our full perfume factory process documentary.